Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing a drug court in Thailand. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. It's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Specialist Court Mold to Deal with Drug Cartels. Quoting directly, the Supreme Court is looking to set up an appeal court dedicated to narcotics cases to quicken the legal process of freezing drug networks' assets. Quoting further, if cases are distinguished by category, it will facilitate authorities' ability to quicken the freezing process of drug networks' assets. The new illicit drug law also underscores the freezing of assets, he said, adding that frozen assets are one of the proven methods to eradicate drug networks. So interesting that we are talking about the possibility of a specific type of court associated with drug issues in Thailand, specifically drug offenses. Now, as we've discussed in prior videos, cannabis in Thailand has been basically legalized at this point, although we are kind of waiting around to see further regulation from Parliament, but as of yet, we've yet to see any law promulgated in Parliament. Probably will happen sometime in the next year, but again, what we now know is that cannabis is no longer treated as a narcotic, and so, again, wouldn't fall under this at all. But I think it's interesting. I think Thailand's taking a very mature, very well thought out approach. They've taken up an approach that, in my opinion, is very mature and very well thought out with regard to drug policy. They've sort of said, look, cannabis, not the serious thing we once thought it was. We're going to put that over under sort of its own regulatory rubric, if you will. But drug offenses, what I would call hard drugs, yeah, we're looking at making a specialized court for that. Again, I'm not speaking for anybody here. This is just sort of me positing what's going on. But yeah, they're looking to make a specialized court for that because they don't want drugs in Thailand. They don't want drug offenders to be operating in Thailand. And one of the best ways to do that is to freeze up their assets. So they're going to need a specific court, apparently with specific procedures, in order to effect that kind of change. It will be interesting to watch, and we'll certainly keep people updated on this channel as the situation evolves.